Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. Today in this video I am going to show you how to on your keyboard light and also how you can off your keyboard light. Look, on, off. Look, in the left of keyboard we have fan. In the left of keyboard, in the top of keyboard we have F4. Look, F4 is here, fan is here. When we press these two keys together, we can on our keyboard light. Again, when we repeat this step, pressing fan with F4, we can off our keyboard light. On, off. You can repeat this step, you can on, you can off. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Before closing the video, like this video and share this video. If you are new, please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.